Hi. Now the Credit Money Machine Pro Plus and Credit Money Machine Ultimate have a new expert layout. It's a simpler layout with more space than ever. You can notice at the left, if you are familiar with the program, that all the fields have a lot of space in between. To access the fields that were pushing the others before, when you go to the task manager at the top here, the clock, you go to the task manager, you have the additional fields and task manager. So you have the affiliate field, commissions, referrals related to other contacts, more emails, keywords and tags, what they do, products. And to access the user-defined fields, you click this arrow, and here we have the user-defined fields. And to go back, you click again. So it's really easy to come back and forth. And if you want the list for the tasks, then you click with Shift. You can see that in the tooltip. But you click with Shift, and now you have the list of the tasks for this client. Again, when you click here, it will go first to the additional field, which is the default, so to speak, and the user-defined fields right here. Thank you.